If you have an asphalt driveway, it's very likely that over time cracks will develop in the surface of the asphalt. If those cracks are not repaired, they will only get worse to the point that you compromise the whole driveway. This is Les Donham at Do-It-Yourself Home Improvement Plus. Today we're going to demonstrate how to fill a crack with a driveway with common asphalt driveway crack filler. You can purchase asphalt driveway crack filler at nearly any hardware store. The crack filler material is essentially the same thing as asphalt driveway sealer. It's just made at a higher consistency, so it will absorb into the crack and fill it without totally running out in the event there's a little bit of rain before it dries. To fill the crack, you want to ensure that your crack filling material is totally mixed. And just shake it up. Just remove the top of the spout and pour the crack sealer into the crack itself. Although when you first apply the crack filler, it appears to be brown, but after it dries, it will turn black, just like the asphalt in the driveway. And once the crack is full, you want to ensure that the sealer gets all the way to the bottom of the crack. So that you can take a putty knife or a small board such as this here and spread it across the top, forcing the crack filler into the bottom of the crack. It'll take approximately 6 hours for this crack filler material to dry. In some cases, depending on how wide and deep the crack is, you may have to apply a second coat of crack filler to bring it up to level surface. That's all there is to fill an asphalt crack. If you don't fill your asphalt driveway crack, eventually they'll compromise the entire driveway. Water will get into the crack, and as the water in the wintertime freezes, the crack will span, making it worse. That's all there is to filling an asphalt driveway crack. For more information on Do-It-Yourself Home Improvement projects, take a look at our website at Do-It-Yourself Home Improvement Plus.